hype as hell. In a minute.
Oh shit.
Bro, what do you think it was? That don't whistle.
Oh my god, I can't.
It's time. Do we have everything?
Hold it.
Yeah, I got it.
Wait. I have to.
What it do? What it bang? How we do and how to get. So nah, bruh. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Next Level Game back again. We got another banger, and you already know the vibe. I'm back on YouTube, and it feels good. I got a little guest with me today. Yeah. Anyways, today we are at WILDWOOD. Yes, we are at the beach. We finna go crazy. What I mean, we finna go crazy. We finna just sit in the sun. We not gonna, you know, we not really getting crazy. I mean, we could, but are we really gonna get crazy? We just gonna sit there.
Time for that?
Do we really have time for that? You know what I'm saying? It's already like, you know, 7:13. We're already late, but it's okay. Anyways, today we are at WILDWOOD, as I said. You know, it's just gonna be a quick little vibe, quick little vlog. I may do public interviews, I may not. I'm lazy, but I need to be consistent, you feel me? By the way, fun fact about me, I don't like the beach at all. Like, at all.
Who doesn't?
Me.
Child.
Like, I don't like the sand, I don't like the water. The boardwalk is it be too many people, you feel me? So I really don't like the beach, but I only come, you know, just to vibe, you know. It's just something to do on a nice day. So that's what I did today. I got my little beach towel. So now I'll show you a beach towel. Oh. Child. This is my beach towel. This is my beach towel. I'm dead.
Mine looks better than yours.
It's like the same thing, bro. It's like the same thing. No, yours is lighter.
Mine is blue and white.
And what is, first of all, that's teal. Get your colors right.
Teal, blue,
that's
same
teal.
Thing. Teal is just like a lighter.
Mine's teal is not a lighter blue.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
What is it? Lighter green?
It's a lot of lighter aqua.
Aqua is blue.
No, but aqua is like a different shade of blue.
Exactly.
Like
so it's a lighter blue.
Closer to teal. You know, I'm not gonna be.
Let them decide.
I'm not gonna be doing this.
Let them decide.
Anyways, make sure y'all stay tuned for the vlog. Watch the full video. Also, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Road to 2K. Let's go. Shit. All right, guys. So as y'all can see, we are on the beach. Shall I come back on vlogging? We made it to the beach. As y'all can see in the back, we got Zane, Aaron, and Vicky. They in the water. I'm clearly not getting in the water. I got my slides on, I got my socks on. I'm not doing it. I don't like the beach at all. But this looks crazy. Look at it. Oh my gosh. And then look at the views. Imagine a photo shoot around this time. Bro.
And like one of them cover up flowy thingies. I'm
saying. Like the white little flowy dresses, right?
And like,
yeah, with the sunset. Yo.
Like
that would be tough.
Like shadow.
Oh, like the silhouette type of look. We gotta make that happen. That's gotta happen. That's gotta happen. Are y'all not cold? I don't understand.
Hey, put him in the water.
He was in the water?
Yes.
Look at his feet. Yo. Is the water not cold, bro? Oh my gosh, bro. Hey, feel it. Damn. Hey, say hi. What's good, homie?
Say subscribe to Mommy and Daddy's YouTube channel.
Subscribe to Zane and Aaron.
Zane and Aaron.
Oh. Isn't it Aaron and Zane?
Oh, that.
I don't even know. I don't know. Aaron, how's the water, bro? No bueno. Cold. He said it's moist. I wouldn't know. I'm not going in it at all.
Gabe said mucho gusto.
Mucho what?
Mucho.
Muchos gracias crustos. Okay. It's back. It is probably gonna die.
Make sure to check out Zane and Aaron.
Y'all, the camera just died. But if it does die, I'm just.
Oh no, cut that.
If it does. Oh my bad. I'm sorry. I don't know where to go. If it does die, I'm gonna just use my phone to vlog. All right. So don't trip. Don't trip.
Wait, let me do the transition. I'll see y'all later.
So now, you ate a whole glizzy with no bath. You had no bath. She had no ketchup, no honey mustard, no relish. A naked glizzy with. You had a plain glizzy with no bath. Look, she crumbled the ball up. You can't even swallow. You can't even swallow it. Yo. Nah, you're mad AO for that, bro. That's crazy. Look at your mouth. Yo. She ate the whole glizzy with no bath. You had to shove it in your.
I had to because.
Playing volleyball out here, bro. Sign me out. Playing volleyball. Look at these my teammates. These my teammates. These my teammates. Say hi. They my teammates. Yeah, it's my vlog. I got my vlog.
Hey y'all. Damn, I look nasty.
It's my vlog. Let's go. This my other teammate right here. Let's go. They need me.
They got more people. 1, 2, 3, 4.
They can ask these. They can ask.
Come on, man. Let's get it started. Go. Let's play. I'm ready. Get me in there. That's you. Yeah. One-handed. Yeah. No, she's stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. They're on the opposite team. Come on now. Huh? Nah, she my cheerleader. Yeah. I was never diving for her anyways. My fault, OG. Come on, man. Let's go. Let's get it. Hey, That's a W. Come on, man. Good job, team. Good job, team. Good job, team. Good job, team. Yeah. No cap. I just got snatched. My hat just got snatched. I don't got a haircut. My hair not brushed. My hair not picked out. I just got exposed. Oh my God, they coming after me. They coming after me. Ah! I got the jets though. I care. Anyways, y'all, we're done on the beach. We about to go to the boardwalk. Before we go to the boardwalk, I'm gonna put all my stuff in the That's crazy. Y'all fake. I'm going to the car, put my stuff in the bag, and then we're gonna walk the boardwalk, get some food. After we get some food, we're gonna leave. It's about like 8 o'clock right now, so we should be all right. I put my mask on, cause look, so many heads. I put my mask on, cause you know you want to try to catch Rona. I didn't know I got a dog now. Ace, say hi to the YouTube channel. Ace, say hi YouTube. Say hi YouTube. He dragging me. Hey, say hi YouTube. Ace, hi YouTube. Hi YouTube. Hi YouTube. Wait, it's under your leg, son. There you go. I'm tired, y'all. But right now we're getting food at a wing spot. It's the best wing spot ever, right?
Are we all ready to order?
Separate.
Okay, I'll let you know about that. I gotta discuss it.
I'm vlogging, I'm sorry.
It's like a cup of water.
Even this, I'm sorry.
Can I get 6 wings? The traditional. Can I have ranch instead? And can I have honey bar? Make it a starter or just a burger? Fried coleslaw. It's like $2 extra. And the burgers. Alright. That's your order. I'm gonna go around. What's your order?
Okay. Well, show me what the wings are.
How many wings do you get?
It's like 6, right?
Thank you.
Where's it at?
Excuse me.
As many as you want.
She's a little.
Where that side at?
Okay, I'll have 6 of the barbecue wings, and that'll be all.
Alright. What do you want to drink?
This way, this is the other side. You're doing a terrible job. Oh my God. I'm sorry.
Brendan.
That's fucking embarrassing.
I just time lapsed that whole entire segment that I recorded. I recorded, but I time lapsed everything.
Can you wait? Can you
And I'm the slow one tonight.
Your next level game.
You right? You know me. I'll make it work. I'll be like,
He's the man.
sheesh. Like, nah. Bye. How did you say it?
Say it again.
Yo.
I forgot that he's
Yo. So now say pause right now. Say pause.
Say it again.
Pause.
Yo, bro.
Pause.
Y'all should have heard what she just said. I ain't even gonna say it. We don't need to hear it again.
She said it.
No. You wildin'. You are
But when I
wildin'.
put it in my mouth, it was like
I'm gonna put the footage in right here where she was, bro. You know I should have
It
it.
was down like this. You saw it.
Look,
You
bro,
saw it.
choking on the naked glizzy. So nah, bro. What do you gotta say for yourself?
Pause.
As y'all could see, the east was good. You gonna see me vlog? Your camera's mad greasy, bro.
Your lips are greasy. Flip the camera.
That's how you know it was good though.
Flip the camera. Look at this. It looked like it just dipped in
Anyway,
oil.
as y'all can see, the east was good. Where's my box? Oh, it's mine right here, right?
So good.
Are you even putting it in the box?
Are you gonna put yourself in the box?
I already did.
Are you gonna come out the box?
Dum dum.
And then yeah. Everybody ate. It was good. It was good. Smackalicious. No carrot.
Oh my god.
Man, I'm so tired. Yo, move, bruh. I'm so tired.
Hey guys.